today. Damn. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the vlog. I know, look like a wildebeest right now. No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, sorry I haven't been vlogging a lot lately. Been doing a lot of things, working and shit. And my car's been down, so I really have no content sitting over there. It's not that it's broken, but let's just say that I didn't blow my motor or anything, but let's just say I got a built motor now. So that being said, you know, well, I didn't get rid of my turbo yet, but I still have my bigger turbo, which if anyone wants it, let me know. I'll sell it to you for a good price. Selling the Shunna wastegate, the turbo, the downpipe intake, just basic stuff that I may be replacing anyway. So just let me know if you guys are interested. You know, DM me on Instagram or message me on here or whatever, and you know, I'll give you a good ass price for it. So right now, I mean, I'm sure you guys know by the title now, I'm gonna go to FedEx real quick, pick up my rotated kit from ETS, and then I'm gonna go to Napa, grab a battery, because my battery on my car is like shot. Like, I tested it, I tried to recharge it, but no, the battery's done. I mean, 3 years. I mean, it's a super battery, what you expect. Isn't that crazy? The motors don't last, and even the batteries last. Goddamn Subaru. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to go get my battery, and then I'm gonna go get some heat wrap for the rotated downpipe. So I don't have the turbo just yet because it's still being made. Just need to go get what's it called? What do you guys? Yes, we'll see when I get it. But yeah, I'm going bigger turbo, rotated. I'm not gonna be able to do the hood exit just yet because Tuner Revolution is literally like in 2 weeks. So I have no time to fucking go put it all together, because literally the turbo will be here the week of the week of Tuner Revolution on that Monday. So I gotta go pick it up. I have to pretty much wait for it, put it on, and right after put it on, that Friday before Tuner Revolution, go get it tuned, and then yeah, be on my way to LA. So I will have no time to get a custom dump tube for like a hood exit, kind of like Theraflu, because honestly that shit looks hella sick, and I've been wanting that for a long ass time. So I'm gonna make it happen, but it's probably gonna have to be after Tuner Revolution. It's probably gonna be towards Stance Nation, so keep an eye out for that. If you guys go to Stance Nation, you guys will see the hood exit, even though I'm not gonna be having the hood in that show, but you know, yeah, you guys will see. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Yeah, I mean, just enjoy this video, you know. All right, so I'm here. Give me like 5 minutes, I'll be back out, and then we'll get to unboxing once I get back to the shop.
One eternity later.
Holy shit, 5 minutes my ass. That shit took like literally damn near 2 hours to fucking get a package. Like, fuck, FedEx, step your game up. Literally 2 fucking hours just waiting in there. And I was the only one in there. And they were like, I couldn't find your package. Let me go check again. I'm like, bitch, fuck. Fuck that. Any companies out there that shipping shit out, shipping from UPS, because FedEx, fucking trash, honestly. Oh, I fucking hate this company, to be honest. Anyways, I'm on my way to get my battery now, and then the heat wrap, and then we'll get to unboxing. So here we go, back on the road again. Okay, so I got to the shop, kind of got excited and opened everything up. pretty much what comes with it is the wastegate, 44 millimeter wastegate, up pipe, 2-piece down pipe. This is the top piece the turbo goes to. The outlet is for the next two, and this is where we hook up the Tomei tube. Intake, bunch of hoses, part of the intake, relocation kit for the turbo return line and feed line, intercooler, couplers, and clamps for the exhaust. So, and also more clamps in here, and part of the rotated intercooler pipe. So that pretty much comes with the kit so far. I'm gonna start heat wrapping all this shit, and then I'm gonna wrap this in gold heat wrap tape later on today. And I also bought heat wrap and these. So let's get to it. Okay, well, that heat wrapping, one roll got me the whole down pipe, and then the up pipe, and then part of the dump tube. Now I'm gonna get the heat wrap for this. I did forget to mention that I wet the heat wrap like for like 5 minutes or so. I went the heat wrap only because, so I got the fiberglass out and that doesn't make you fucking all itchy and shit. Because when getting itchy with this shit, it just sucks. It gets everywhere, so that's why I always wet it before you put it on. I let it sit for like 5 minutes literally in water, and then my hands are good. We used to use gloves, but everything else still good. I'm not itchy or anything, so that's kind of a tip for you guys. I'm gonna cut off all the excess, strings in there and shit, so make it look clean. So I'm gonna get to it right now, and then yeah, I mean, after that I'm gonna wrap this and this in that golden heat wrap, and then yeah, that's all I gotta do now is just wait for the turbo, and then should be able to put everything on and then get tuned. Now we're switching locations, going home to do the heat wrap on my intercooler. So here we go. So I migrated home. Hi. I forgot to mention that, what's it called? It does, the ETS rotated turbo kit comes with this intercooler pipe, which goes under the manifold. But then also you have to get this one with this and this one, which is both the rotated. It's like $200 or something like that on the ETS website, so you can rotate it properly. I mean, and yeah, I mean, what I gotta do now is just use heat wrap, the one I used on my intercooler that I have on right now. And I bought like 3 rolls this time, 3 fat rolls. I didn't know how big they were until now. Look at this, 30 feet in 1 roll. So I think I bought a little too much. But anyways.
That's what your wastegate sounds like.
Oh, the new wastegate? It's fucking... the new wastegate is fucking fat. Yeah, but anyways, I'm not gonna show you guys entirely how to wrap it because I already did a video on that. So if you guys want to see how I wrapped it, like tutorial wise, then go look at that video. Otherwise, I'm gonna just do a time lapse right now. And yeah, enjoy the rest of this video, and then probably next video is gonna be installing and everything on. So be ready for that. Are you done?
Wait, what does Chewbacca sound like?
Are you done? No? Alright. Anyways, enjoy. So, here's the end result of everything. Intake. Oh, by the way, this was the intake.
That looks like Thor's hammer.
And, on the corners, you can see that. It looks like shit, only because it's super hard to kind of like make it go flat in there. But other than that, everything else is pretty straight. I mean, over here on the sides. But anyways, that's about it. That's it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed what comes in the ETS kit and what else you guys need to buy. I'll link literally everything that I got here, just so you guys can know what to get. Well, the ETS kit, you get different ones. There's a 3-bolt one, there's a B-vent clamp one, and then the one I got, the 2-bolt, which goes into the stock headers, and also like a Killer B header or ETS headers. They're also 2 bolts. But other than that, I mean, you could choose whatever you want. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one when I install everything. This weirdo is doing something weird. Alright, catch you guys in the next one. Alright, before I leave again, prior to say, this is all I got left from 1 roll. Literally, I still got 2 left. I bought way too much. I already told them how much it was. But here it is, some Moshimoto heat wrap tape. 2-inch by 35 feet. Whoops.
You bought 235 and 115?
Nah, about 335 feet. Anyways, that's all the back piece tape of it. So all garbage.
All the trash that I have to pick up now.
Yeah, but this is all that got left. And plus 2 extra rolls. So if you guys need some, let me know. I sell it to you guys for a good price. But yeah, that's how it's come out. And yeah, alright. Deuces for real this time.